Should I buy or sell Nvidia? The report for Nvidia was first published on our website Friday, November 11, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since November 3, 2022, our system ranks Nvidia as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 5.796. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 21.14% since we first told you to buy Nvidia 7 days ago. This is an average return of 3.02% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Nvidia, our last headline reads, "Green Day on Friday for Nvidia." The Nvidia stock price gained 3.42% on the last trading day, Friday, November 11, 2022, rising from $157.21 to $162.58. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.86% from a day low at $154.82 to a day high of $163.89. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 17.52% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -5 million shares, and in total, 56 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.18 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $346.47, and the lowest price was $108.13. Right now the price is 53.08%, or $183.89, below 52-week high at $346.47, which also is all-time high for the stock. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -20.46% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -51.47% and -20.46%. The 12-month trend indicates a -54.12% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -72.68% and -53.59%. This equals a price between $44.42 and $75.46 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Friday, November 11, 2022, Oppenheimer set price target to 225. On Monday, October 24, 2022, Barclays set price target to 140. On Tuesday, October 18, 2022, Deutsche Bank set price target to 140. On Tuesday, October 11, 2022, Citigroup set price target to 210. On Wednesday, September 21, 2022, BMO Capital set price target to 210. From analysts, Nvidia stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Nvidia. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Nvidia stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $146.08 and $129.32. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 14, 2022, and so far it has risen 44.81%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 153 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $139.37 and $132.61. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $139.37. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $132.61 and $131.76. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $9.07 between high and low, or 5.86%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 5.08%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Nvidia. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Nvidia currently has a price-earning ratio of 34.00. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Next upcoming earnings report for Q3 2022 is expected to be released Nov 16, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are $0.470. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Nvidia meets first resistance at $162.60. If you do not hold Nvidia shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Nvidia finds first level of support at $139.37, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Nvidia is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On October 13, 2022, Stevens Mark A made an inside sell of 87,500 of common stock. On October 11, 2022, Huang Zhen HSUN made an inside sell of 229,500 of employee stock option, right to buy. On October 11, 2022, Huang Zhen HSUN made an inside buy of 229,500 of common stock. On October 11, 2022, Stevens Mark A made an inside sell of 31,731 of common stock. On October 11, 2022, Stevens Mark A made an inside sell of 53,269 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -19.026. In total, the insiders bought 2,827,899 and sold 4,309,869 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $154.45, minus 5%. This stock has high daily movements, and this gives high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 20 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a buy? Nvidia holds several positive signals, and despite the stock being in a falling trend, we considered it to be a good choice at these current levels. We expect Nvidia stock will perform very well in the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 14th, we expect Nvidia to open down -$2.15 and start trading at $160.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to